Hello, this slideshow presentation is going to be on the VA home loan, some of the basic requirements and documentation that you need in order to go ahead and get the home loan. A little bit about me. I am an Army veteran. I did some time on active duty and the reserve. I was stationed in Germany with Bravo Battery 427, and the main goal of this presentation is to reach out to as many veterans, family members, and military personnel as I possibly can. I want to be a resource for veterans and their families and hopefully help them out throughout the process. This slideshow presentation is going to cover a few things. We're going to go over what a VA home loan is, who is eligible, obtaining your certificate of eligibility or COE. We're going to go a little bit over the VA funding fee and what documentation is needed. What is a VA home loan? A VA loan can be used to purchase a single family residence, townhome, or a VA approved condo. You can also purchase a multi-family property up to 4 units, but the veteran must occupy one of these units. The VA home, one of the key features about the VA home loan is the 0% down payment, as compared to civilians who have to come in with 3.5% or sometimes even more for the down payment. There is also no monthly mortgage insurance, which saves a veteran some money, and you can also use a VA home loan to construct your own home, but that requires a different process, but it's still able to be done. Who's eligible? Active duty personnel who've already served their time. Also veterans who completed a total of 6 years in the selective reserves of National Guard. Reservists who were also called up for active duty for at least 90 days are also eligible, and unmarried surviving spouses are eligible to use the VA home loan. Obtaining a COE or certificate of eligibility, there's a website link that you can go ahead and do it on your own, or you can do it the old school way and send that form, the request for certificate of eligibility form 26-1880. You can send it into the VA and they will mail it to you, but the quickest way and most efficient way is to go ahead and do it online. It's pretty simple. You print it out, and the good thing about the COE is that it doesn't expire. You can reuse it once you pay off your own loan, or if you sell your house, you can keep reusing your COE and your certificate of eligibility with that. This is a little bit about the VA funding fee. The thing about the VA home loan is that it does have a funding fee that can be financed into the loan. There is a breakdown of the funding fee. The funding fee is waived, however, if the veteran is currently receiving VA disability compensation for a service-connected disability. So that is waived. I have helped a few veterans, and this funding fee is waived. Usually it's 2.15% for first-time use. There's a breakdown for veterans and reservists. You can email me or call me if you have any questions about that funding fee, but it's pretty basic. And what documentation is needed? The VA loan is just like any other loan as far as paperwork. You would need your 2 years tax return. You would need to have stable employment for at least 2 years. The FICO score, the VA doesn't have a requirement as far as FICO, but usually it's 620 for your credit score. You will need to turn in your pay stubs that cover at least 1 month of your employment, your last 2 bank statements, your copy of ID, Social Security, and your certificate of eligibility. This all gets handed to the person that's going to help you out with your loan. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me, give me a call. There are my links, all my information, facebook.com/VA home loan. Find me on Twitter at VA home loan info. My YouTube channel, which you're currently on, is YouTube/VA home loan, and that's my email address, hyro.aladdin@gmail.com. Hopefully this gives you some basic information. Feel free to send me an email, give me a call, contact me however you can, just to get some of the answers that you guys might have, and hopefully I'll be able to help you out throughout the process. I am a real estate agent here in California, but we are able to do loans across the US. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, send me an email, and I'll be glad to help you guys out. Thanks.